At Veterans Ranch, we believe in the healing power of nature. Surrounded by the beauty of the outdoors, veterans find a space to connect, reflect, and support each other. Here, we share stories and experiences that foster camaraderie and understanding. The tranquility of the ranch allows us to unwind, while our programs focus on mental health and wellness. Whether it's horseback riding or simply enjoying the stunning views, every moment spent here is a step towards healing. Together, we're not just veterans, we're a family helping each other navigate the journey of life after service.